everyone, I'm playing Gatcha again. Recently I made my other character, the panda. Let me show you. Here, that's panda. And this is me in Gatcha Life 2. So let's make a new character. So I haven't got any comments what you want to make, but I'll make something, alright? So let me just look at the hats real quick. Cat. Perfect. Okay, I'll make a cat girl. So I'm gonna make her hair straight. I'll just adjust. Okay, there you go. And then I'll make it blonde, I guess. This looks nothing like blonde. I DK how to make blonde. Okay, this is sort of blonde. Oh, wait, that's cute. Okay. Okay, now I don't think I need any rare hair. Should I like ponies? Or this? Oh wait, that's cute. That's actually so cute. Now let me just save. Blah blah blah. Okay, now let me head to the face. I'll use the same eyes I used for my last one. Okay, let me just adjust this. Oh my goodness. That's not cute. I guess it's okay. Dot dot dot. Okay, wait, I won't adjust that. So let me color it gray. Alrighty, there you go. Okay, now let's color the hat orange. Okay. I guess that's alright. No, that's not alright. Okay, there you go. Actually, I should swap it. There you go. And I forgot the mouth. There you go. Should I add whiskers? I DK how. Why does the cat look more good than the panda? This. I know it looks like a fox, but I'm using it. Okay, there you go. Alright. And about the belt, I DK what to do. Eek. Alright. So, what color? Alright. Alright. So, choose. There's no shade that suits. So, let's just give. Wait. I do this every time. Okay, now socks. So use the same one, but a bit short. Alright, then a fish. A fish will do. No, hold this first. We will hold this first while I find the fish. There's so many food. Oh my, no. Okay, just hold the pillow. There you go, a fish. Fish, same color. Wait. Fish is finished. new character. I'll name her Kate. Where's the T? Then her icon. Let me find something close. Yeah, nothing's close. Sure. Created by me. That's the longest me I ever made. Let me shorten that. Okay, much better. Okay. Where's the J? KWERT. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot the S. And then I'll make the I. No. Fish! Okay, there. We made a cat, and I'll bring her beside the panda. I already readied it. I always forget. Okay, Froggy, Zoe. No, I love that one. No. I don't know. Froggy, alright. Okay, swap off. So, get me there. No. Okay, there you go, and studio. Wait, I love the pose. I think they had a captain. Okay, wait, and then I'll get Mia. No, not that Mia, the other Mia. Remove. Okay, move me here. Then panda beside fish girl. And I'll just move her there. And her here. And finished. I hope you like the characters I made. And